Welcome to Diamond Meat Processing LLC, a company that began operations in 1997 to become one of the most well-reputed and trusted meat processing companies in the UAE and the region. Our dry beef aging room is where prime beef cuts are stored at refrigeration temperatures for 1 to 5 weeks to allow the natural enzymatic processes that result in improved tenderness and truly unique flavors. We employ several state-of-the-art technologies and methods of preserving and enhancing the flavors of our different products, including our smoke chamber, which uses natural wood to add an authentic flavor to our meats. Our products are varied and distinctive, each with their unique characteristics and flavors. From mortadella, prime cuts, pastrami, sausages and salami, to smoked beef, chicken and turkey, and many other items and varieties. All our production processes follow the best industry practices, in addition to strictly using the best quality raw materials. Our main production section in the factory is where the most advanced machinery in the industry is used to process and package our delicious products. This is where the meat is prepared under strict quality control restrictions and oversight, abiding by immaculate hygiene standards. With carefully chosen and highly skilled personnel at the helm, we produce over 100 varieties in more than 200 packing options, offering a truly sumptuous spread for all those who value good food locally and regionally. Accredited with ISO 9001 and HACCP certifications, we adopted the best international industry practices. Furthermore, we update our procedures regularly to meet the UAE's standards and international requirements. At our butchery, meat is cut and prepared into the different sections and shapes required for our different products. All this is done in a highly regulated production atmosphere where everything from the air to the sanitization process is strictly controlled. Our cuts are unique and masterful, and our packaging options, achieved through scientific measures at our world-class packaging facility using the latest machinery, are designed to cater to the needs of as wide a segment of our prospective clients as possible. At our labs, we use the most advanced best practices to improve and develop production procedures to meet our clients' needs. We employ the most efficient storage techniques and apply the best storage conditions to ensure our products remain in perfect condition during the storage period before deployment to the destination markets. With a highly skilled, efficient deployed workforce and smooth interdepartmental operations, we ensure that our product reaches the market and then your dining table as quickly, safely and deliciously as possible. Diamond Meat Processing LLC. We create the flavors of life.